Before you arrive, make sure you've had your meningitis C vaccination and 2 doses of MMR, measles, mumps and rubella. You can get these jabs free from your GP if you're aged 24 or under. And the reason why this is important is that there's been an increase in the number of students getting measles. If you're taking medication, please make sure that you have sufficient supplies to last you for the first few weeks so that you don't run out. If you're an international student taking regular medication, it is helpful if you bring a letter from your doctor stating your medical history. All international students on a course lasting more than 6 months are entitled to free NHS, that's the National Health Service.
It's important that you don't just call an ambulance for a minor thing. If you're just suddenly feeling unwell, it doesn't necessarily classify as an emergency because your GP can equally look after you.
If you're worried about your health and it's night time, NHS Direct is available 24 hours a day to give you advice. As a student, you may be entitled to full or partial exemption because of low income from prescription, dental or optical charges. Pick up an HC1 form from Student Support to apply.
UAL have a partnership with doctors who provide healthcare for our students, and you can register online. Most postcodes are covered by UAL health doctors, but if you live outside the areas covered, it is still important to register with a local doctor. If you do live outside the area, the website will tell you what to do.
I think going out a lot definitely can take a toll on your studies and your well-being. Especially if you're going out on weekdays and you have a critique or a lecture or something the next day in the morning and you're just really tired and you can't really concentrate properly or pay attention. It's so much easier to be a student when you're a bit more level-headed and you can actually concentrate on what you're doing and why you're there.
It's very important to look after yourself while you're at university. You should get in the habit of eating regularly and healthily. Take regular exercise. You can also save money by walking, and you can make friends by joining some of the student union sports clubs. Try to keep a regular sleep pattern, don't overdo the alcohol, and don't have unprotected sex. You can get condoms freely from the GP, sexual health clinic or health advisor.
Our health advisor can talk to you about medical conditions, travel health, smoking, drugs and alcohol, sexual health and pregnancy, and eating disorders.
To register online and to find out more about health services, please go to ualhealth.com. If you would like health advice, please email or phone.